Doing the best I can, working on this thing. I got 2 more capacitors coming in, but she's working pretty good now. The receive is still a little bit low, but let's see if my friend Sebastian can hear us out there. Hold on a second. How about it, Sebastian? Got a copy on me on the tube radio? Roger on that. Let me tune you in a little bit so I can receive it better.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yabba dabba do 42, and I'm getting tuned as we speak.
Roger, Roger. Oh, you're coming in really good now. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
I figured do a little tube talking tonight, Roger.
Roger, I had mine on because I wanted to play.
Oh, yeah, that thing was putting out some smoke, that 6-pack of glass you got there.
Nighthawk.
Nighthawk. Yeah, Nighthawk. 6-pack of glass. How many watts are you getting out of that thing? Right what it says, huh? 500 watts?
Yep.
Wow, nice, nice. How about it, Ragman? You hear me? Hey, Rusty, what are you doing, Rusty? Are you getting ready to go bowling? I don't think he can hear me.
No, it's like he walks away. He calls me and then don't answer.
Yeah, maybe he's got to go. Maybe he's got a ride to go bowling. Well, that's the tube radio. That's the Heathkit GW-11. Hopefully get the rest of the parts in this week. And then I gotta tune it up, make sure everything is working properly. Try to get that receive up, that's for sure. With that, that's all I have to say for today. Bye.